Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vina Saripa. I'm from Class 2D English Education Department. In this video, I want to tell you about National Education Day with the theme of the learning from COVID-19. Okay, happy watching and listening. The conclusion of the presentation on the 2020 National Education Day with the theme of learning of the COVID-19 is coronavirus has an impact on all levels of society, not except the activities to education and culture. Various efforts have been made to break the chains of spread, but there is always wisdom behind all problem. Coronavirus teach us innovate more to find new behind why to keep the national children smarter even without face-to-face. Previously, there was a division or rule between home and school, which seemed to spread without us knowing. This meant to increasing understand that the rule of each must synergize with each other. This stand can be far apart, but enthusiasm and collaboration must be strengthened. Let's we be fixated on the circumstance that becomes the barrier is transformed and want to work together, and our job is to build the future of Indonesia national to be brighter because we human are strong. According to Minister of Education and Culture, Mr. Nadiem Makarim, from this COVID-19 event, we got a lot of wisdom and learning that we can apply in time crisis or current condition, including for the first time, teachers do online learning and realize that learning can occur wherever, and even parents for the first time realize how difficult the task of the teacher is, how difficult it is to teach children effectively and cost empty for their teacher. Teachers, students, and parents now realize that education is not only something that can be done at school, but effective education requires effective collaboration for these three parties, and without that collaboration, effective education is impossible. We also, as the people, realize how important health, cleanliness. We also, as the people, society, the emergence of MT in the COVID-19 problem is learning. Learning is always not easy, but now is the time for us to innovate more and learn from COVID-19 to become stronger and better human being in the future. And then, 7 tips for teaching from Mr. Nadiem Makarim. The first, do not stress. The second, try to divide the class into smaller of group. The third, trying project-based learning. And after that, allocate more time for those left behind. The 5, focus on the most important. The 6, of the cheating between teacher. And the last, have fun. So, in my opinion, at this time, we have to learn to adapt more the situation, because in every problem, there is a lesson or wisdom that we can take to become a better human being in the future. And in the present situation, stay enthusiastic and keep learning with good for a better future. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.